Hey y'all, let me fix this a little bit. Hope I'm not crooked. But okay y'all, so this is the introduction to Amazing Grace Garden. Alright y'all, so welcome to the channel. I just wanted to do an introduction to give you a little insights of what's going to be going on this channel, if it's God's will. Okay, so most of you is probably from my other channel. If you are, welcome. If you new, welcome. So Amazing Grace is what I call my garden now, and it is a place where it serves so many purposes: physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. Okay, it's a place where I can come out and be one with nature, feel close to God. It's just simple. Over here I'm gonna teach you how to grow food and start your garden my way. Okay, simple, easy, less expensive. Okay, simple and easy, less expensive. God already gave us everything pretty much that we need. We may have to buy things here and there and stuff, you know, to your liking. But to be able to grow food and have an abundance of food and have something to help you mentally and physically and spiritually, it's all in a garden. Now, it don't matter how big your garden is, how small your garden is. It's all about what you do for your garden and what you allow your garden to do for you. All right? Anybody, this is one of those things where anybody that has an area to grow in can have an outside garden. No matter if people say, oh, I don't have a green thumb. Yes, you do. It's not hard. Just a little bit of time and a little bit of work, and there you go. So that's what it's gonna be. I do container garden. I do grow in ground and stuff just to show people it's possible. I used to do series where I growed in inside, you know, in your home, for people that do not have no area outside to grow. I know a lot of people have apartments that don't have balconies and stuff like that, and you can grow so much food. Now when I say I have shown, it's because I have another channel. Okay, I have a main channel, and because this is so important to grow food, especially in these days and times, and starvation is right here in America. It's people that are starving each and every day. There's kids that are starving, and a lot of people just don't understand how much food you can grow and how easy it is. So for anybody that is willing to learn, I'm gonna show you to the best of my ability the way I do it. Okay, very simple. I'm gonna show you from the beginning. Okay, the next video I'm gonna give you the start up. If you watch my channel, you like my channel, you're gonna understand how to grow very well, very simple, without all the extra stuff that man and Google tell you that you need and you got to do. Okay, this is a positive channel. It's a channel where we are going to be calm and respectful, and we're gonna grow food and we're gonna be happy. Okay, pray about your garden. Pray before you go into your garden. Pray while you're in your garden. You know, we can put these seeds and stuff and starts and stuff in, but it's God who helps them to grow, who makes them grow. Okay, so that's what this channel is about: growing an abundance of food, as much as we can. If you have to grow small, it is still an abundance to you. It's more than what you had. Okay, so I got a lot of garden stuff to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and start by teaching everyone that may be new to gardening and really want to get into this. So that is my introduction. Over here you will be called AGG fam. Okay, AGG fam. As you can see, the name of the channel is Amazing Grace Garden, hence that's where I got AGG from. So we are the AGG family over here. We're gonna grow food and we're gonna be happy, we're gonna be positive, we're gonna be good physically, we're gonna be good mentally, and we're gonna be good spiritually. Okay, so I hope y'all is ready for this experience. This gardening experience. I hope y'all is ready for it. I hope y'all excited as much as I am. Make sure you share the channel, let everybody be able to come over and garden with us, and I will definitely, if this guys, will see you in the next. Oh, let me go ahead and say also, on the channel it will be all gardening, but I will have my Amazing Grace Produce, which is a produce business of mine. Okay, so you will see that. You will see when I go and donate, when I go and sell, because if you're from my other channel, you know over the years I donate some of my produce to a homeless, to the soup kitchen, to the Salvation Army. I do give. So y'all have, some of you that's over here has already experienced that. So yeah, so those are things that you will see over here on this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it so I can get to getting y'all some videos for my beginners, and if you're seasoned, you know, maybe you may see something that I do that you be like, hey, that works for me. And if that's the case, do it, you know. So with that being said, I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. All right, I want y'all to be safe. Bye. Happy gardening.